Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. You will also need a replacement motor specifically designed for the Dyson SV27. Before starting, make sure your vacuum is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. First, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum cleaner. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the main body of the vacuum. This may require a bit of force, but be cautious not to damage any clips. Next, you will see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the area. This will help ensure a smooth installation of the new motor. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice if needed. Now, using your flathead screwdriver, disconnect the wires attached to the motor. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will be crucial for the reassembly process. Once the wires are disconnected, you can remove the screws securing the motor in place. Use your spanner to carefully unscrew these bolts, ensuring you do not strip them in the process. With the screws removed, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Take your new motor and place it into the same position as the old one. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. It's important to ensure that the motor is seated correctly to avoid any operational issues later on. Reconnect the wires to the new motor, following the notes you made earlier. Ensure that each connection is secure, as loose wires can lead to malfunction. If you're unsure about any of the connections, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we provide collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Once the motor is connected, replace the back cover of the vacuum. Align it carefully and press it into place until you hear a click, indicating that it is secured. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but not overly so, as this could damage the plastic. Finally, give your vacuum a thorough clean, ensuring that all parts are free from dust and debris. This will help maintain its performance. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Now, plug in your Dyson SV27 and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If it runs smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the motor. If not, consider reaching out for professional help, as we can assist you with no calls, no travel, making the process as convenient as possible for you. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.